I'm here. We're here, Cooper. That's who? We're here. Yes, we're here. Yeah, we're here. You're watching Cooper Blimba Part 3. He thought it was never gonna come. But guess what? It's finally here. Someone's looking for us. I hope they don't catch us. Let's go in this car. I found a better car. What is it? The dump truck. Let's show everybody. Okay, I'm gonna go drive the truck. Y'all keep for lookout, okay? Okay. I mean, the cops are after us. Oh, great. Now how we're gonna do it. Any problems, officer? Yes, you were speeding. Okay, what should I do? Stop the vehicle. It's already stopped. Okay. Here's the bill for here's the ticket. No, you're gonna have to chase us first. Ooh. People just won't listen. And my car's out of gas. Attention all units, attention all units. Send out the mobile police unit. Okay, roger that. And it's here. Here's my tag. Now it's time for chasing. Let's turn around. And the thing's out of gas. Back up. We're busted. Oh man. I know. What should we do now? We should get in a vehicle. There's a vehicle right there. Let's get out. Let's get out. You know what? This is actually a good idea. Yeah. Let's go home. There was nothing anyway. Somebody framed us. Now, the next part is us going to a store. So, we're not going to be making it today because I'm going to watch some videos today.